is the Bostitch T28, very easy gun to work on. All you gotta do is unbolt this cap. There's no O-rings in this cap, just set it aside. Pull your spring. Need a rubber mallet. Tap the bottom. You may have to work at it. You might have to heat this up to get some of these parts loose. Tap that out. You have two O-rings here. You have an O-ring inside here. You have an O-ring in here. O-ring there. You got the piston and cylinder. Change hose. That thing is putting this thing back together. Depending on which one you have, it'll either have a groove, and the groove goes forward, goes to the front, or you may have a different driver. It'll say front on it. It should, if you have it like a stapler. And you may, to get this back in there, you may, if you have problems getting this, back in there, you'll have to unbolt this and release this and get that driver through there and lock it in place. Be careful, don't break it. Other than that, it's a real easy gun to work on. Be good as new.